Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this month's Mani and Me box. It always comes with a little stamping guide for anyone that's new to stamping. And then it always comes with some cards talking about Mani and Me and what's in the box and a design idea. So this one was the Juicy Fruit month. I'm going to just pop on into what came in this. I'm not going to do a whole out thing today. Today is a Maniology MXM037. Let me change some lights so that we can see better, hopefully. But you got a lot of these background images, and then you've got all the foods and the ants and stuff. That one's pretty cool. And then we've got MXM038. And some more food images and whatnots. So, outside, that's the watermelon image they used in their Mani. So, I'm going to play with these all at some point. So, I get the box that's got the 2 plates, the 2 polishes, and an extra. So, this month's polish is this funky green called Rind. Y'all know I like funky. And then this one is watermelon. And then this month's extra thing was a glass cuticle remover, and we are going to play with this one today. First off, I love that it comes in a little tube to protect it, and that is really, I mean, you know, what's good of having a great tool if you don't protect it. Now, one end is the pointy end, and then the other end is more like a cuticle pusher end. And there's like super duper duper fine grit on the ends. And I'm going to zoom in and show you how I use this. Alrighty, so I always start with the pointy end and go around up by my cuticles. And I just took my nail polish off, so you'll be able to get a really good idea. But look at all the stuff that comes up. And that's just up around the, and I go down the sides. But that just gives you an idea of how good these things work. Now I have one from GERmanikure also, so I've traded to the flat end, and I'm just going to kind of push my cuticles up with it and get some more of that either excess clear polish or skin or whatever's grown out on that nail. But you do this with all the nails and it just makes such a difference. And you can run this up on your skin even a little bit, you know, to help. Like I'm going after some of these little hard crunchy pieces on the side. I mean, you don't want to go too crazy. It still is a file, and you still could hurt yourself with it if you're not careful. So we're going to just do that. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these because I do want to do a mani, and I want to get these nails ready so that we can do some playing with some of these items from this month's Mani and Me box. Alrighty, so we're going to get this blue film off of this plate, and this is the Maniology MXM037. I'm cleaning it with some acetone, and I've got my Maniology scraper and stamper out. My Vampire is Buff is going to be my base color today. I wanted something just a little more neutral for my base color. And this is another polish that my friend Miss Tammy from Mrs. K's Corner gave me. And I love OPI polishes. Now this first coat's a little streaky and sheer, but not bad. I mean, this second coat is going to take care of it, I'm telling you. And it's just a really nice neutral cream. I'm digging it. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down, and we are going to do some serious playing today. I'm going to be using this Maniology Shark Bait. It's a stamping polish. And I'm going to do my backgrounds with this, kind of looking like all sorts of tablecloth covers, you know, different tablecloths that, you know, would be laid out for a picnic. Because that's what these plates are screaming to me, picnic. I'm cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller. And when I get done, I'll clean that plate. But right now, I'm just going to keep bumping along. I wanted to use more than one image. I didn't want to just do just a straight up manicure. I wanted to play with test this plate out. As much of it as I could. And I'm really liking the way this looks, just on its own. I could have gotten away with just doing these backgrounds, and I would have been happy with it. Just like that. I love the backgrounds. I'm really liking the different looks of them. You could use them for plaid manicures and all kinds of different things. So there we go. I'm going to clean this plate off with some pure acetone real quick. I didn't really have to because the rest of the images are on the other side of the plate, so, but whatever. So I'm going to use the polishes that came in this month's box, and this is Rhine, and I'm kind of putting it on the outside of this image, and then the watermelon colors going on the inside of that image. I'm going to do a quick scrape here and pick up, removing what I don't want to use. And then I'm just going to stamp it on my nail. So I've got a little hunk of watermelon. And then I think this was supposed to be like a papaya or a mango or something. I don't know. In hindsight, I wish I would have filled the inside in with the watermelon color. I think it would look really pretty. But to me, I was thinking it was a pear. And, well, I messed it up. So let's start over. I thought it looked more like a pear. So I just kind of left it. So now I'm going to be more careful with this tape trick and removing some of the excess polish. So there we go. I'm just going to slap that on there. And then I'm going to use straight up black. And this is an old polish. It's still got Bundle Monster on the bottle. And I'm going to get some of these little ants. We're going to put them on some of the nails, you know, because it's a picnic. What's a picnic without some ants? Or if you live where I live, it's more about the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Okay, this one little ant didn't want to stick. I didn't use a sticky base coat or anything tacky. So I'm just going to go in and pull me up another ant. Get that other stuff off of there because I just want that little bitty ant. I know this is kind of probably freaking some people out. They don't like bugs on their nails, but if they're painted and polished, I'm okay with them. So there we go. We're going to save that one right there. Ta-da! I'm going to go in with some acetone and acetone additive in there, and I'm going to clean this up real quick. I had forgotten to put my Burt's Bees on, so this was not coming up with the tape at all. My skin was so dry. Make sure I get up under here. There we go. I got a big patch on that thumb. That's why I didn't paint it. I am going to top this one off with the Maniology's smudge-free top coat today. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to pop in there with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat. I had too much on my brush. I had to readjust that rascal. Here we go. So that is it for my manicure. Here's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.